welcome back to the third part of Travel Diary. And today we have the whole day to roam around the campus of Kanha Shanti Vanam. And the best part is, I get to take you with me along. But before we jump to all the places I visited that day, let's get back to the very start of the day. And as of right now, we are headed towards the meditation hall for our morning session. To be honest, it amazes me to see so many people from the age of 15 all the way to even 85, and how all of them sit for meditation with such discipline. So, the morning session was around an hour and a half to 2 hours long, and I left a bit earlier than the other people because I wanted to roam around the campus without any crowd. And on that note, I didn't had anyone to tag along with, but what I did had was sense of direction. These are some of the places I came across while wandering around the campus. There were these little stalls that people volunteered to manage, and after which I decided on heading towards a special place.
My eyes. The first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me. White noise, what an awful sound. Fumbling by road.
I talked to some people to join the music group. And yeah, they'll contact me. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. I don't know. But yeah, it's good that I talk. And if they do, I will join them and show you as well. And this is the nursery part I'm going around. No one is there because they don't really know about this part. When it was very rushy, there were some people last time. But yeah. So, this is the special place I was headed towards. And just so you know, all the plants which can be seen across the campus are grown here.
That I receive from my brothers.
Not many people know about this area since it's quite far away from the meditation hall and domes as well, but it is one of the most beautiful spots in Kanha Shanti Vanam.
Riverbed has dried. Shall I find no
And this place also has a main shop where all the pots, seeds and stuff is sold to Abhyasis who visit. It's quite empty at the moment because this is the lunch time right now, but soon this place will be crowded with people. Now, after exploring and spending a huge time in the nursery area, I had to get back for my lunch and figured this would be a great time and opportunity to show you how the meditation hall looked like up close.
I wanna wanna take a breath that's true.
After which, in the evening and at night, I couldn't shoot as many videos because of my poor battery and my dead power bank. But yeah, I was only able to experience so little of so much here. Not because the place is huge, but rather every spot or location you go to hooks you and fills you in with peace. And on that evening, while enjoying my peace and calm under the sky full of stars, I came across a friend.
You'll come apart